Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am stoked you guys are here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. I appreciate you all, and thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel or who comes through and checks out the channel to watch my content. I really appreciate you all. If you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, if you get the time, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. Today, I have got an unboxing from my buddy. His Instagram is at rain_man_knife_works, WORX. He is an Instagram buddy of mine, and he and I have traded a knife. So this is my second trade that I've ever been involved in, because I don't trade a lot of knives. But I'm really stoked. I had something that he was interested in, and he had something that I was really interested in that I'd kind of never had a chance to check out. So let's get into this using my Amazon Balisong, that with my tool steel blade, it actually fits a little bit better. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty well packaged up. Box in a box in a bag. Do me a favor and give at rain_man_knife_works a follow on Instagram. I'll link him down in the description of this video. He made this knife possible. Alright, so we're going to continue on. We're going to cut on in. My only goal here, guys, is not speed. It's just not cutting myself badly. Cutting myself is just kind of par for the course. But if I don't have to, I ain't gonna. And I always appreciate overpacked stuff. Alright, we're getting down to it. Alright guys, let's do this. And we're going to cut right across that. It didn't cooperate with me. Alright. There we go. And tape down. That is awesome. Thank you, my man. You knew I was going to be doing this, and this is hilarious. But again, safety first, right? Safety for the knife, that is. Not safety for the way I'm trying to get into this box. Looky there. And we're getting to it though, guys. The suspense is killing me. I feel bad. I just shipped his in a knife box with some wrapping. All right. We're getting down to it, guys. Now I don't want to cut into the original, so I'm going to give it a little slicey right there. Excellent packaging job. All right. So now I think I can safely whack away my butterfly knife. Or did I move it in too soon? Nope. Guys, I'm very stoked. This is, my understanding, a T.W. Price Dawn V1. I have never seen one. It's that's the original. It does have skiffs in it. Those are the bearings that came out of it. And this is the knife. Guys, I have always thought this was a very elegant, gorgeous knife. Simple, yet kind of sexy. Let's see how it front flips. And you guys know I hate front flippers. Front flips very well. Fits my hand very well. Has fantastic action. That was me slipping off of it. And if y'all are wondering, that's new skin. That's not finger rot. I don't want y'all to think I won't tell you how that happened. Spyderco video. But guys, the T.W. Price Designs Dawn OG version that I have never had the pleasure of checking out. I traded a cool knife for it, but I think it's absolutely an awesome trade. And like Rain Man knows, if he changes his mind, this knife will come back to him. Very slicey, very pokey, very stabby. I don't know much about the knife. Let me just see if there's any card in there. Let's see what I can learn without going to the Googles. This is just an unboxing, guys. I like that it has very minimal marking. It's got fantastic detent. It's got blade steel. Not sure what, but doesn't really matter. Nicely milled titanium handle. Fits my grip great. Let's see how the clip works in and out of pocket. Action is just money. Goes in and out of pocket like a dream. Just a mad win on a knife. I am super stoked. And I also have, I have all these fail apology videos that I need to make. And like reading comments, not as fastly as I should, and not replying to all of them. And I don't have them marked to where I will go back and reply to them or like them, because I do read them when they come across. But I remember now the COA is on the bottom of this box. But I want to apologize to Rain_man_knife_works, because we just traded for these knives on Friday, I think. And he sent his faster than I sent mine. I did it through pirate ship insured and didn't pay attention. So I like it when knives hit on the same day. So he has not yet gotten his knife. I feel like crap for that. So I apologize. It is first production M390 handle black wash. And there's the Instagram for TW Price. The main Instagram, if you guys want to help me out and help Rain_man_knife_works. That's not his real name, but when you follow him, you'll see it. Good friend of all of ours, has some awesome pictures and awesome knives. I want to thank him. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch me unbox this bad boy. And I am stoked. If y'all happen to watch this today, which is Monday the 5th, come hang out at Pocket Metals later tonight. About 9:15 Central. I think it's around 7:15 his time. Guys, I love y'all. If you'll do me a favor, please look out to the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.